Ramjack demonstrates a high-tech foundation repair system versus a low-tech repair. Ramjack uses scientific methods to install the piers under your property with precision. We use a custom digital torque monitor as we install each pier to required capacity. Ramjack products meet or exceed Florida Building Code requirements of AC 358. So choose Ramjack high-tech solutions or you may get a low-tech foundation repair. Call 727-934-2300 or visit GoRamjack.com for more info.